Actually, I spoke to her a few minutes ago before entering the Senate. Hindi pa siya sure, no, kung makakapunta siya today. Unsure pa dahil meron siyang mga scheduled meetings. Titingnan pa daw kung makakahabol or hindi. But again, hindi pa po sure. Just para lang sa kalaman ng lahat. Hindi lang namin din-discount. Ayoko lang sabihin categorically dahil nga hindi pa siya sure dahil ang huling sabi niya sa akin when I was trying to confirm kung pupunta siya, because she's in Manila, but she has several meetings scheduled. So titingnan lang daw niya kung makakahabol siya. So I guess it will depend on kung meron pang ongoing, no, at that time. She didn't tell me, but we don't have scheduled meetings, no? So it will probably be because she wants to, of course, provide support to her employees, which she always does naman, no? Not just with her chief of staff, but with everyone else. Hindi nga niya masabi kung anong oras siya o kung makakahabol siya. Basically, tinanong ko siya kung makakapunta siya today. Ang sabi lang niya sa akin, unsure because I have meetings, but tingnan natin kung makahabol. Tuloy pa rin yung cross-examination namin today. Hindi tayo natapos kagabi. So itutuloy namin where we left off kagabi. And then we'll see kung may time for the next witness, no? If it will be Attorney Laika.